Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to add the cover on video and CapCut. So guys, this is easy step you can do. For example guys, this is video I want to add the cover. What you have to do guys, just go on edit and click this cover. As you can see here guys, you open this pop up. After that guys, from here click replace and select the timeline from the video you want to add the cover, for example, and the video, for example, this image guys, for example, this image was added as a cover, and click the save, and you can edit here guys this cover as a video, and you can edit a text, and you can add any text, and you can add a sticker, for example this one. As you can see here, added color, any color you want to choose for this sticker, and you can add more option. You can add text, as I say, and add design template, and you can add anything you want to do guys. I will and click just save, and you wait to loading this page. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe, like, share this video for more content.